Yeah, 510 cattle yarding today, and improved quality yarding overall here in Moss Vale. Cows are probably 6 to 8 cents better, with the best of the cows topping at $4.10, and the working cows could have been 15 cents better, making that $2.60 through to $3.38. Pretty strong market.
With a really nice yarding of feeder cattle here today. Here the feeder steers here made from $5.20 up to $6.27. Very, very strong like last week.
Yeah, top quality Angus restocker steers. Here's some wean steers that were 227 kilos that cost $8.15 a kilo. They're strong, they're dear, it's a good season, what do you expect? But the market's still there.
Restocker heifers this week. These ones weighing about 200 to 250 kilos, making from $5.80 up to $6.40. Bit easier on last week.
1,000 calves here today, made from 2,500 up to 3 grand. With a yarding of 4 bulls here today, in a stronger market, bulls topped at $3.46.